This is refilling method of HPI 8426, used for HP26 cartridges. Insert the nozzle part of the cartridge into the refill clip and push the top of the cartridge all the way in until you hear it clicking into place. Open the cap of the ink container and connect it to the bottom of the refill clip. Then turn the container until it is tightened completely. While keeping the refill clip upside down, inject 35 milliliters of ink by squeezing and releasing the ink container repeatedly. The ink volume specified here is for a completely empty cartridge. After finishing ink injection, wait till the squeezed ink container is completely restored, and then turn the refill clip back to upright position. Fill the supplied syringe with about 2 milliliters of external air by pulling out the piston. Then, insert the syringe into the air injection inlet on the cartridge cap. Inject air quickly. Hold the syringe pressed and wait for 5 seconds. Then, remove the syringe. Perform this step while the ink container is connected to the refill clip. Remove the cartridge from the refill clip and clean the excessive ink around the nozzle, dabbing the nozzle part of the cartridge on some sheets of soft tissue. Install it in the printer and then run the cartridge cleaning process before use. Remove the ink container from the clip and keep the refill tools for reuse.